Hey, welcome back to your Excel Chart Lab this evening. Tonight's video. Tonight's blue chip stock is Chevron, one of the two big, along with ExxonMobil, one of the two big blue chip petroleum stocks. Of course, as you know, the petroleum stocks have been on a bit of a joyride here recently. So some pretty good upward momentum. So before we get started, of course, big shout out to the 200 plus people who watched the video yesterday. Of course, I would appreciate it. You know, if you watched the video, give me a thumbs up, okay? If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, share the video with your friends, okay? Before we get started, of course, standard disclaimer applies. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not for financial investment or trading advice. And finally, before we get started, one more thing. There will be a link in the description to get a repository so you go out and download all my spreadsheets yourself. So now that we got that out of the way, let's jump right in. 20 moving average, 100 moving average here, the green line, 100-day moving average. Orange line, 20-day moving average. The blue line, actual average is the daily close. Okay, you can see we had a big dip down to here. We would have gotten out pretty good down here. And then if we got back in up here, we would have caught part of the bullish part of this upward trend here, the upward charge. Then it kind of dipped down briefly, and now look at this. What the devil's going on here? Okay, look at this bullish charge right there. VWAP is above so we're above the VWAP line and above the +1 standard deviation line. Okay, Bollinger Bands. Look at this craziness here. Goodness gracious. Kind of moving along a little bit, then boom, this big upward chart, this big upward bullish move. What happened there? Good grief, okay? MACD plot, look at all these positive bars here, although you notice it is starting to decline a little bit. Interesting. Hopefully we're going to continue to see this upward bullish momentum. Okay, what about now? Forecast. Now this forecast is really interesting, okay? We always know that we expect LibreOffice Calc to be more adventurous than Excel, but the orange line is Excel, so it's predicting some upward movement followed by a nice big nosedive here. Okay, the green line is predicting more of an upward trend. Okay, so pick your poison as always, right? Who are you going to believe, Excel or LibreOffice Calc? And of course, finally, dividends. Dividend up about what, 28, maybe 30 cents a share, 35 cents a share. 2024 to 2025, $1.71 a share. And there you have it. Charts, forecast, and dividends for Chevron oil.